Hey guys, Pat Stitt here, and I'm Grounds4Life. I'm over here at a shopping center. It's a rainy morning. I'm over here with Bill the Bushmaster. Even though it's a rainy morning, there's always work to be done. We're out here at this retention pond, and you can see here behind me, we've pretty much taken everything out around it. It's only the stuff that's left in the middle. It's the stuff that's just in the very deepest part that we just can't get to without having to get some hip waders and tie off. So we got some hip waders. We're going to tie off, and we're going to go deep in this retention pond and get this thing cleaned up today. So let's get started. Taking a break over here, guys, and this beautiful bird right here behind me is just, I mean, he's just a few steps off of me. I work these retention ponds a lot, and I like to think that these guys just hang out with me. He's just an arm reach away, and I don't want to mess with him because I'm pretty sure he's an endangered species, but man, he is right there behind me. I don't know that I've ever been able to get this close to one of these guys before. He's so beautiful. I'm going to turn the camera around, see if we can get a good shot of him because I'm so close. Man, this big guy lets me walk right up to him. It's all right, buddy. I ain't trying to mess with you. I just think you're cool. Man, his beak is big. I hope he doesn't try to attack me because I'm through at this distance. He's just hanging around. I think when we stirred up everything in this retention pond, he can find him a good meal here. What's up, dude? Let me get a close-up on you. There he goes. He is not afraid of me at all. He's hungry. See him grabbing something to eat there. Little fishes and frogs and tadpoles in here. See if I can walk on the front side of him without him killing me. What's up, buddy? He's not injured because I saw him fly in and Bill took a shot of him earlier flying in. He just likes to hang out. What's up, dude? So I can get a close up on him. Found him something to eat there. Looks like you got him something. I've never been able to get this close to these birds, and this may not be a good idea. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Look how long his neck is, wow. He can walk right on top of that grass. All right, man, we'll leave you alone. So cool. right, guys, we are all done. And man, that was a tough job. It really wore me out. We are in January. It is freezing cold outside and I am soaked in sweat because trying to move through that retention pond was so tough. As I was in the water part there, the silt in the bottom trying to walk through it, man, it was so thick, but it's done, it's good. These retention ponds are regulated by the state of North Carolina, and so the county will be here to inspect these, but all the dead brush and cattails are cut down to water level or close enough to it, so we should be all right when they come to inspect it. We were using our Echoes. We used our Echo blade trimmer. I got that in the water and it didn't want to run no more, so we switched to the string trimmer. It kept bogging down some, but it did the job. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to those two machines. I got to say special thanks to Billy Jackowski for being on the camera today. It's the off season, guys, so I'm going to get back to relaxing and spending time with my family, maybe riding some dirt bikes and four-wheelers. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Pat Stitt, and I'm Grounds4Life.